Homeowners in Meridian are always looking for ways to improve their property's comfort, appearance, security, and overall value. While projects such as kitchen renovations and landscaping often receive a great deal of attention, replacing outdated doors can be one of the most impactful home improvements available. Modern replacement doors offer a combination of beauty, performance, and functionality that can benefit homeowners for years to come. Whether you're upgrading a front entry door, patio door, or other exterior door, investing in a replacement door can provide both immediate and long-term advantages. From enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, replacement doors are a smart upgrade for many Meridian homes. Enhancing curb appeal, your home's doors are among the first features visitors and potential buyers notice. An aging, worn, or outdated door can negatively affect the overall appearance of the property, even if the rest of the home is well maintained. Modern replacement doors are available in a wide variety of styles, colors, finishes, and decorative options. Whether you prefer a traditional look, contemporary design, or something in between, there are door options that can complement your home's architecture. A new door can instantly refresh the exterior appearance of your property and create a more welcoming first impression. Improving energy efficiency, older doors often develop gaps, worn weather stripping, and insulation issues that allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. These inefficiencies can make it more difficult to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year. Today's replacement doors are engineered with advanced energy-saving features such as insulated cores, high-performance weather-stripping, energy-efficient glass options, tight ceiling systems, durable frame construction. These features help reduce air leakage and improve thermal performance. For Meridian homeowners, improved energy efficiency can contribute to lower heating and cooling costs while creating a more comfortable living environment. Increasing home security is a major concern for homeowners, and exterior doors play a critical role in protecting the home. Older doors may weaken over time due to weather exposure, wear, or outdated construction methods. Modern replacement doors are often manufactured using stronger materials such as fiberglass and steel, providing enhanced durability and resistance to forced entry. Many replacement doors can also be equipped with advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and multi-point locking mechanisms that provide additional peace of mind. Investing in a new door is an effective way to strengthen your home's overall security. Enhancing everyday comfort, a quality replacement door contributes to more than just appearance and efficiency. It also improves daily comfort. Drafts near entryways can create uncomfortable temperature fluctuations and make certain areas of the home feel less inviting. Modern doors provide better insulation and tighter seals that help eliminate many of these issues. Homeowners often notice more consistent indoor temperatures and improved comfort throughout adjacent living spaces after replacing older doors. Reducing maintenance requirements, many older doors require regular upkeep to maintain their appearance and functionality. Wood doors may need repainting, refinishing, or repairs due to moisture exposure and weather-related wear. Modern replacement doors are available in low-maintenance materials that resist warping, cracking, rotting, and fading. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, offer excellent durability while requiring minimal upkeep. This means homeowners can spend less time maintaining their doors and more time enjoying their homes. Increasing property value, replacement doors are often viewed as a valuable home improvement because they offer multiple benefits at once. Improved appearance, energy efficiency, security, and durability all contribute to a property's overall appeal. Potential buyers frequently appreciate homes that feature updated exterior doors, as they signal that the property has been well cared for and may require fewer future upgrades. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, replacement doors can provide lasting value and improve your home's marketability over time. Access to custom design options. Today's replacement doors offer a wide range of customization possibilities. Homeowners can choose from various panel designs, decorative glass inserts, hardware finishes, colors, and materials. This flexibility allows you to create a door that reflects your personal style while complementing the overall design of your home. Whether you're seeking a bold statement piece or a timeless classic appearance, replacement doors can be tailored to meet your preferences. Long-term durability and performance. Modern replacement doors are designed to withstand years of daily use and exposure to changing weather conditions. High-quality materials and professional installation help ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. With proper care, a replacement door can continue delivering energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic benefits for many years. A smart investment for Meridian Homeowners. Replacement doors offer a practical and rewarding way to improve the comfort, appearance, and functionality of your home. From boosting curb appeal and increasing security to improving energy efficiency and reducing maintenance, the benefits are substantial. For Meridian homeowners seeking a home improvement project that delivers both immediate and long-term value, replacement doors are a smart upgrade that can enhance everyday living while protecting and beautifying the home for years to come.